J-pop, and the English Premier League. They capture massive global audience and fan base through movies, music, and sports. They not only showcase their culture, but also boost their global influence. Muay Thai is one example, is Thailand's pride and joy. It has gained popularity worldwide. One championship showcased Muay Thai to millions of viewers across 195 countries. Every Friday night. This is not only promote the sport, but also expose Thailand's heroism, values, and unique culture to the world. Muay Thai isn't just about kicks and punches. It's a powerful house for Thailand's economy. It elevates other Thai industries like food, festivals, films, and fashion to make their mark on the world stage. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Sethar Thavisin, the Thai government is doubling down the Muay Thai's promotion. We are grateful to One Championship for putting Muay Thai on the global scene. The government plans to support Muay Thai communities, which run over 40,000 Muay Thai camps worldwide. Their members need classes and present Muay Thai equipment, trainers, and outfits to the world. The key to develop the Muay Thai industry is a good ecosystem that improves the quality of boxers, trainers, competitions, and training programs. The standards of Muay Thai must be developed at all levels. We are implementing various policies to enhance Muay Thai, incorporating Muay Thai into the basic education curriculum, starting in the school in Bangkok. We are also considering reduction export taxes on Muay Thai training equipment. Through the One Family, One Soft Power initiative, we will provide the professional training for Muay Thai trainers to evaluate their careers, increase their income, and establish the industry's standards. There are more initiatives that we will certainly kick off over the 4 years of the current government term, which will continuously improve the life of Thai people. Thank you.
ขอบคุณครับมากครับ Start with the video.
It's changing the landscape of MMA because it is literally larger than UFC worldwide.
Because the numbers are so huge, the way the One Championship has grown is a case study for us to be spread all over the world.
We are thrilled to partner with the world's largest martial arts organization that is One Championship.
One is already the largest martial arts organization.
This thing is the buffet of MMA. For you guys, the fight fans, take what you want. Anything that you can do under one roof is going to be done. Pick and choose and you're going to enjoy it.
If you've never seen one before, what's your problem?
Yeah, what's your problem? Get with it.
Shaq doesn't even want to have a discussion. He says you're the GOAT.